Okay, I write a lot of completely weird stuff in my keyboard, and sometimes in the end they see fancy pictures on the screen. So that's as far as it goes.
I'm Maurizio Del Monte, I work for Abstract, I do open source. I love Plone and I want to improve on it. And with the help of the community, you can be part of an open source community. It's like a big chance for you to enjoy your life. First time I was here, I was a host, and Abstract was having that while I was working for their competitors. And at the end, I am now one of the organizers, and this is so challenging and so nice to have all these people here enjoying the sun and doing what's needed for Plone to improve. Let them spread the word that here they enjoy their time to bring more people in to improve Plone. I mean, we are friends, but we can meet wherever. But when you are meeting in such a place, then you'll be satisfied, happy with what you're doing, and many more people that never will show up here will be happy too.
Plone is a system to help manage the information of an organization and controls how that information can flow through an organization, who can access it, how it can be accessed, and allows it to be distributed around that organization. We use it generally for implementing intranets for companies. So companies who want to take information from around the business and distribute it within their organization, or control who has access to particular sensitive information. So that's generally how we use it.
We are a really small company, and we are doing design on web design and mobile design, and we try to use as much as possible Plone. I think we nearly do everything in Plone. Normally multilingual sites, and I'm really involved on the multilingual model that tries to maintain different translations on the Plone side. And now I am a bit involved on the Plone.org redesign in order to create more a new theme that it's nicer and useful.
I'm a Plonista by calling. I think Plone is a complex system to achieve a lot of different things on the internet. Work while having fun. So I enjoy going to work, and that's the most important part. The thing is, when we work in our office, we mostly have fun while doing so. That's the best thing that can ever happen to someone who's working
at Plone. Well, to meet with the other Plone people, to advance some things that the Plone Foundation needs, to learn myself, and to share this lovely experience.
A chance to continue some of the work to improve Plone that I've started 2 years ago, and to do so I need help from the community because there are bigger undertakings there. It's always good to share experiences, ideas.
It's a great event to meet with other Plone people, but also more importantly to meet with other people who run Plone companies and talk to them about various issues about the wider community of Plone, how they market Plone, how they work with Plone, how they do things like billing and time tracking and things like that, and the pool and the weather and the lovely wine. It's all part of it.
I'm a plug for networking with the community of Plone to understand the new trends and where Plone is heading, so that we can be on track. So because we are contributing to Plone.
Yes, it is changing the world at this moment. We wouldn't be able to do the work that we are doing, for instance, if we didn't have access to open source software. We now have the best tools, and it allows us to play on a level playing field with companies who are, hundreds of times our size. And in that respect, Plone and open source in general is changing the world already.
We always look for better projects. We're not looking for more, actually. We're booked until the end of the year.
It was easy, and it just works. So we are quite satisfied with it.
I've seen other open source projects where actually 4, 5, 10 people are the ones that do almost everything, and here we have a global community of people working together, thinking together, and defining and planning the future of our project and of the community itself.
Well, I've always thought of the Plone community as being kind of an extended family, and I always find it amazing that we can sit here with people from, all around the world and sit having a discussion about things, and you realise that people are the same the whole world over.
Oh, I think that there are a lot of ways that people can contribute. Writing documentation, reporting bugs, coding, or just organizing some talks at their local locations, so people can know what's Plone and just spread the word around everywhere.
Democracy, it's a really cool concept. The people that actually do stuff and go forward and try to make the difference will be recognized. Okay, we have a Plone Foundation, okay, we have the guys that created Plone, but right now is more important the guy that's translating stuff, that's trying to make Plone move forward, is more important than someone that had a position in the past and now is away from the community.
If you are working for something like Plone, which is a project, an international project where you don't have a big company behind, you don't have a big budget behind, but still, since 10 years, it's like there, in a stable way. And all the people working on it is like working from remote, everyone, right? 100 or 1,000 or whatever kilometers. You need to let them be in person to build trust to each other, to build a relationship. Then you can have them split around and continue to work the same energy, the same focus on whatever you need.
So it's kind of impossible not to come.